Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by 1 plus x squared, ln of 1 plus x squared. So this one we simplify. So we have y and first derivative of y. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration of this one in here. Now I will concentrate about this one only. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, we have 2x over 1 plus x squared dx. This one we change by u. This one in here with dx we change by du. So the integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of u, and then I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now in this situation, we don't need to use the absolute value in here. Next, I will put the negative go inside about natural log in here. So this one we will have about 1 over ln of 1 plus x squared. That means we multiply both sides by this one. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So if we look carefully about this one, this is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of number 1 over of ln of 1 plus x squared in here multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of this one in here, we have y over ln of 1 plus x squared. Now I will concentrate about this one only. So I will concentrate this one. So we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to arctanx of x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. dv we have 2x over 1 plus x squared, and we have ln of 1 plus x squared to the power of 2. Now I need to find this integration. So I will put about u equal to ln of 1 plus x squared. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 2x dx over 1 plus x squared. So in this situation, this one we change by u, and we have u squared. 2x over 1 plus x squared dx we change by du. The integration of this one we have negative 1 over u. About u, that is about this one. And now I will put this one go back in here. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, but we have negative and negative, so we have positive, and we have the integration dx over 1 plus x squared ln of 1 plus x squared in here. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one in here. Because we have a negative in here, so they should be like this. So the integration of this one, we have this one minus this one, and we got this one left, and then I will put about c. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. And now I will multiply both sides by this one. Now we have the conditions in here. That means when s approaches to negative infinity, we have y equals to negative b over 2. So we put this one to find the value of c. So when s approach to negative infinity, arctanx of this one, we have negative b over 2. This one we have y equal to negative b over 2. This one in here, they will go to positive infinity. However, if we put this one on here, you got about 0. That means in this situation, c equals to number 0. Because if we put number 0 in here, this one with positive infinity, you got about 0. This one they can go to number 0. So the final answer of this one, we put number 0 in here, and you got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.